You standing in the middle of a wide, empty field, clutching a plastic controller while your heart hammers against your ribs. That first takeoff is always the scariest part. You worry about the wind, you worry about a sudden crash, and you definitely worry about the money you just spent. But this specific foldable drone is designed to take that edge off. It doesn't feel like a flimsy toy, but it doesn't carry the terrifying price tag of a professional rig either. It arrives with 3 separate batteries, which is a massive deal for anyone who hates cutting a session short. Most of these devices leave you waiting hours for a recharge, but having 3 on hand gives you nearly 90 minutes of total airtime. Realistically, you're looking at about 25 minutes per charge, especially if you're fighting a headwind. The arms fold up tight, making it small enough to slip into a side pocket of a backpack. It's incredibly portable for something that packs this much tech. Inside, it uses brushless motors. They are quieter, more efficient, and they don't wear out as fast as the old school gear. When you finally push the stick and watch it lift off, the stability is what hits you first. It uses satellite positioning to lock onto its coordinates. If you let go of the controls, it just sits there. It hovers in the sky like an anchor in the ocean. This is exactly what a beginner needs to feel confident. The camera produces high-resolution footage, and in the bright, midday sun, the colors look surprisingly punchy and crisp. It's perfect for those overhead shots of a family barbecue or a hike along the coast. However, you have to be realistic. If the sun starts to go down, the video quality starts to struggle. You'll see some grain, and the colors might look a bit washed out. The electronic stabilization does its best to keep things smooth, but a strong gust of wind will still make the horizon tilt a bit. It's not cinema grade, but for social media, it's more than enough. One of the most impressive things is how the automated modes work. You can tell it to follow you while you run, or draw a path on your phone screen for it to follow. It's like having a personal camera crew in your pocket. But you have to be careful around trees. If you fly behind a thick patch of oak or near tall buildings, the live video feed on your phone might stutter. That lag can be stressful when the drone is way up in the air. Some users have noticed the signal range isn't quite as long as the box claims, so it's best to keep it within your sight. The return to home feature is the real hero here. If you lose your orientation or the battery hits a critical level, the drone just turns around and flies back to the spot where it took off. It's a safety net that saves you from a lot of heartache. The build is lightweight, which makes it easy to carry, but it does mean the wind can push it around if you aren't careful. The app can be a little finicky on certain phones, and the setup process takes a minute to get right. But when you're up there, looking at the world from a bird's eye view, none of that seems to matter. It's about the thrill of the flight and capturing a perspective you usually can't see. For someone just starting out, this device strikes a rare balance. It's forgiving, it's fun, and it gives you a taste of high-end features without the high-end risk. You get to learn the mechanics of flight without the constant fear of a total loss. It's a solid, reliable entry point into a hobby that usually feels way too expensive. It is about the freedom to explore the world from above,